Assalamu alaikum dear students. Now let's continue with our chapter Quadrilaterals, Understanding Quadrilaterals. As we have completed the basic terms of this chapter, today we'll begin with the types of quadrilaterals as well as the property of the quadrilaterals, which are quite important for the 9th standard also and 10th standard also. So in that first quadrilateral is parallelogram. So here the parallelogram, the figure of parallelogram is somewhat like this. So this is the parallelogram. Now what is parallelogram? A quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides means these sides. So here these two sides are equal and parallel, and these two sides are equal and parallel. So this is one of the property of parallelogram, that opposite sides are equal and parallel. The next is opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles means this way. So let's name this A, B, C, D. So B and D angles are equal and A and C are equal. Then the next property is diagonals bisect each other. So let's understand the diagonals. What's the meaning of diagonals? So diagonals means the line joining the opposite vertices. Opposite means this A and C. So the line joining the point A and C are called as diagonal, and B and D. Okay. So diagonals bisect each other. Bisect means bi means two and sect means part. यानी diagonals एक दूसरे को bisect means they will make two equal parts. So diagonals bisect each other. These are the properties of parallelogram. Let's move with the next shape, that is rectangle. So about rectangle, you all know three properties. One of the property is, first of all, let us draw the shape rectangle. So here in rectangle, you all knows that the opposite sides are equal. Means this length is equal and breadth is equal. So this is one of the property, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Then another property is, here you can see these angles. Here all the angles are 90 degree. All the angles are of 90 degree because here you can see both the lines are intersecting at 90 degree. So all the angles are right angle, means all the angles are of 90 degree. Then the third property is diagonals are equal. So here again, I hope now you know the meaning of diagonal. Diagonals are equal and bisect each other. So these are the properties of rectangle. Moving with the next shape, which is square. So square की भी एक property आप लोगों को already पता है, that all the sides are equal. All the sides of the square are equal. It means that if one of the side is 5, then all the sides will be of 5. So in square, all the sides are equal and parallel. Then again next is, you can see that these are intersecting at right angle. So each angle is a right angle. Then diagonals are equal, means these diagonals are equal. As well as diagonals bisect each other at right angle. This one word is added in this कि diagonals जो है वो bisect तो कर रही है, but meanwhile they are bisecting each other at right angle. Means these are the diagonals, so they are bisecting each other at right angle. So this is about the square. Next is rhombus. So let me draw rhombus over here. Okay, next is rhombus. Let me draw rhombus for you. So in rhombus, all the sides are equal. It's same as a square. As in square, all the sides are equal In rhombus also all the sides are equal. Then opposite angles are equal, means this kind of opposite angles are equal to each other. Diagonals bisect each other at right angle. So these are the properties of rhombus. Next is trapezium. So here is the trapezium. In this trapezium, these two sides are called as parallel sides. These two sides are called as parallel sides, and these two sides are called as non-parallel sides. And these non-parallel sides, if these non-parallel sides are equal, then you can consider it as isosceles trapezium. These two non-parallel sides are equal, then you can consider it as isosceles trapezium. And these two sides are called as parallel sides. And the last shape is of last shape is of kite. So from name itself, the shape will look somewhat like kite. Okay, kite. A quadrilateral in which two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Two pairs of adjacent means next to each other, means these two sides will be equal and these two sides will be equal, means if this one will be 5 then this will be 5, and this one is 7 then this will be 7. Then diagonals bisect each other at right angle, means these diagonals are bisecting each other at right angle. Then next is measure of angle B is equal to measure of angle D. Let me show you here A, B, C, D. So these two angles are equal, whereas angle A and angle C will not be equal. Why angle A and angle C will not be equal? Have a look. Here you can observe these two angles and you will find that these are not the same. Okay, so these are the properties of kite. So here we are ending with the terms related to this chapter as well as the properties of all the quadrilaterals. So what the quadrilaterals we have studied: parallelogram, square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium and kite. Okay. Now in next lecture we'll continue with the solution of the exercise, that how to solve the questions of the exercise. Thank you everyone. Have a great day.